Magandang umaga, hapon at gabi sa inyo lahat. Nagbabalik na naman po tayo para sa panibagong video na kung saan tayo maglalaro ng shawarma roadside. So ikaw ay isang empleyado ng isang roadside shawarma stand. Ikaw ay magse-serve ng orders habang unti-unting nagiging creepy at tense ang paligid. Kailangan mong makasurvive sa mga night shift. So let's see kung ano na mangyayari sa ating gameplay ng shawarma roadside. Okay, wala na naman po tayong kasama. Solo na naman tayo. So create na tayo ng server. At let's see, parang ano lang to, parang shawarma kiosk na ating nilaro nung nakaraan. Yung okay lang naman. Tanggalin ko kaya yung scarf ko dito. Nakaka-istorbo eh. Tanggalin ko ba? Okay. I'll be back. And there we go. Wala na tayong scarf. Kaya makakalaro na tayo ng maayos nito. Babaan ulit natin ang graphics para maging smooth ang ating gameplay. Okay, nasa naman yung tumutulong? Ito pala.
Hey, hey, hey! Greetings! Welcome to your first day. I hope you like here. Honestly, it is a miracle that you wanted to work here. Our previous employees left for unknown reasons. I was told to instruct you just in case, you know. So without further ado, let's start. Imagine you got an order, shawarma with cola. You can see the order near the window. To make a shawarma, you need to take a large from a package and put it on the work table.
To make some shawarma, you need to take okay. Enter up. Uy! Wow!
See the order? Chicken with lettuce. Take
Chicken
the
with
chicken near the
lettuce.
bistrampa and put it on the lavish.
Enter up.
Great. Take lettuce near the work table and put it on the lavish too. Nice. Now
So,
get near the work table
parang
and rub the
mas
lavish to
maganda
make
to
shawarma.
kaysa sa kiosk. Pero yung sa kiosk, ano siya? Parang hindi siya ordinary Roblox rig. Roblox body pala. Now get near the work table and rub the
Congrats, you made it shawarma. Now throw it into the window to complete the part of the order.
Throw?
If everything
Yeah,
is
haggis.
correct, the part with shawarma will be crossed out. By the way, see how the lettuce is almost ended? Let's restock it. Take the lettuce itself from the storage room, then put it on the lettuce box.
Haggis na lang pala eh.
You can find all of the drinks in the fridge
You can
near the
find
work
all
table.
the drinks.
Open
in
the fridge and take the cola, then throw it into the window too.
Okay.
And congratulations! You have completed your first order. I can proudly say that you have finished your training. Oh, also, before your shift starts, I must inform you with some rules, I would say. They're quite flexible, so I'll tell you what changed every day. And as for today, a strange person might come this night. All you need to do is give him the cola, that's all. Otherwise, you will be fired, I would say. And we have some troubles with electricity, so the lights will go down time to time. To enable it back, interact with the fuse box at the backyard. Okay, that's all for today. Good luck and have a great night. Bye bye.
I think na mas mahirap to kumpara sa shawarma kiosk. Kasi ang daming ang dami nating gagawin dito. Uy, hi. Ano to? Oh, hindi na kailangan kausapin. Chicken lettuce. Teka, hindi ko sure. Ito ba talaga? Tingnan natin. And then yung lettuce. Nasaan yung lettuce? At yung chicken. Bumurap natin. At ihagis kay kuya. At yung cola. Oh, dalawang shawarma. So yun nga pala. Yun talaga yung yung sulatan ng order. Okay, I'm a bit confused pa sa larong to. Okay. So ito nga talaga.
Merry Christmas!
Ano yun? What the hell? Oh, merong present. Okay, walang gulay. Yan. Yan, wrap na natin. Ihagis kay ate. Yan. So, yung chicken, wrap. At ihagis ulit natin kay ate. Oh, pretty simple lang naman pala. Grabe, walang sauce yun. Uy! Daniel, anong ginagawa mo rito?
Hindi alam ng dalawa na may paparat.
Okay. Tatlong soft drinks agad May UTI ka nan. Lettuce, arap natin. At ihagis kay Daniel. Cola. Ay. Sala pala. Saan? Grabe. So yung ginagamit na okay. So nasa labas daw yung fuse box. Napaka-creepy naman yun. Ba't natabingi yung camera? Ito matabingi yung camera natin. Kakasimula ka pa lang ha. Ay. Chicken. Isa may gulay, isa wala. Parang may kumakatok. Parang meron nga. Meron bang security cameras dito? Or wala? Paano pala natin lalagpasan yung anomaly? Well, maybe ignore na lang natin yun. May gulay bang natin? Okay. Ayan po. Gulay. Thank you.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Saan yung regalo? Okay. So, dalawa ng present ang naipon natin. Tatlong cola din. Then, the lettuce at yung manok. Tap natin. Interact. Kasi nagis kay kuya. Cola. Ba't? Bumabalik? Hindi. Okay. So, we're doing great na. Wala pala malalagpasan.
Thank you.
So, what happened? Hindi ko alam. Baguhan pa lang ako dito sa paggagawa sa pagiging tawag doon, worker ng shawarma.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Ito agad mga nangyayari. Uy, what's up? Yan. And chicken. Ooh. Teka nga, di ba ito throw? Ba't parang hinahagis ko sa sarili ko. Yan yung isa pang karne. May gulay, lettuce. Yan, sarap natin. Iagis natin kay kuya. Tapos pang cola. At isa ulit. Thank you. Hindi man lang nag-thank you. Hindi rin nagbayad. Oh! So, nakaligtas tayo ng night 1. Nakalagtas na pala. So, night 2 na tayo. Okay.
Hey, it's nice to see you alive. I mean, you didn't quit. Wow. You really needed $200 in a free shawarma, I see. We did some improvements over here. We have added tomatoes. Not that big for today, huh? But there's an actual reason. Remember, I've told you that rules are flexible, so listen carefully. Siblings may come today. They will come one after another, and second sibling will need the exact same order as previous one.
Okay.
But there's a catch. For some reason, markers don't work when second sibling is around. That means you will need to replicate first order by memory. I hope you have a good memory. Oh, and
May talo na ako dyan.
we have exchanged the Mitrompo, and it is strange, I would say.
Mahina ang memory ako
You
dito.
move, breathe, run to backyard and wait till lights turn on. Just do this without any questions, okay? We are working on it. And for some unknown reasons, light will flick before all of this, so please pay attention. Good luck,
Okay.
Mr. Dashit.
So, kinakabahan na ako. Uy! Okay, may panibagong panibagong ingredient which is the tomato. Ayan. Ayan. What? Tama naman ah. This is the tomato. Tama ba? Nga, parang ewan ko. Sa mga ugali, biglang binato sa akin. Isang chicken at isang lahatan. Kailangan natin i-restock ang lettuce. Naiwan ng lettuce. Isang karne. Roll natin. Isa ulit. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Naiwan. Ba yan? Ba tumatagilid yung camera? Bawal ba tumagilid? Are you? Anong gagawin natin doon? Nag-iisang ba natin? Bibigyan din ba ng drinks?
Nope.
No. Anong gagawin natin?
Nope.
Okay. Kung ano-ano na nangyayari dito. Isang may tomato at dalawa wala. Grabe kung ano na nangyayari dito.
Christmas.
Yung dalawang regalo ko, nandun na lahat sa labas. I hope maging safe tayo dito. Ay, bawal ata tayo lumabas. Dun sa front. May bawal nga. Paano natin makukuha yung regalo natin? Uy, Kelo. Sayang yung regalo natin dun, no? Isang chicken, ay dalawang chicken, at isang may lettuce. Interact natin. Grabe, sayang yung regalo doon. Tumalsik lang sa labas. At yung isang... Thank you. Ay, pwede pa tayo lumabas. Hey, what's the deal with that trash bag?
Want your own business. Just shut up and work.
Suntukan na lang, oh. Okay. 4-0-3. Okay, nawala siya. Dalawang tomato at isang lettuce. Nakapag ano na ba tayo ng lettuce? May makakalimutan ako. Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, nag-flicker. The heck are you? Serve din ba natin ng ano? Parang anomaly naman to. Ano ba gagawin para makatakas doon? Think about saving. Oh.
You might have with your mind? Call me again and I will know to which comic will transfer you.
Anong gagawin? Si-serve din ba natin? Bahala na. Natin kung ano mangyayari kung si sermon ban din natin ito eh. Baguhan pa lang kasi ako dito. Kaya hindi ko alam. Oh! Kailangan ko tandaan kung ano binigay ko sa nakarang ano. I think tama yun. Grabe, mahina talaga memorya ko rito. Basta laro lang ako dito eh. I think that's correct. Tama na ata. Okay. So we survive. Okay, isang tomato. Okay, wala nang tomato. Saan ba tomato dito? Ba kasi pa ano? Oh. Wala na, wag na ihagis. So, isang tomato at isang lahatan. Take ulit natin isang lahatan.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Tae-tae naman. Pumasok ka. Hindi makapasok. Yun. Tek. What the? Grabe naman. Well, ayun lamang po para sa ating video ngayon. At sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood. At see you soon sa ating susunod na episode. Bye!